Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have an exciting update for all cricket fans, especially supporters of the Pakistan women's cricket team. The ACC Women's T20 Asia Cup 2026 is all set to begin in the United Arab Emirates, with all matches being played at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Pakistan women, led by captain Fatima Sana, will begin their Asia Cup campaign on September 1, when they face Thailand in their opening match. Pakistan are placed in Group A alongside India, Thailand, and Hong Kong, China. After their opening game against Thailand, Pakistan will face arch-rivals India on September 5. They will then take on Hong Kong, China on September 7. All matches are scheduled to begin at 7:30 p.m. Pakistan time, giving cricket fans a great opportunity to follow the action live. Pakistan have high hopes for this tournament. The team has reached the final of the Women's Asia Cup twice, in 2012 and 2016, and their campaigns in 2022 and 2024 ended at the semi-final stage. Captain Fatima Sana has also said that the team prepared for pressure situations during their training camp by playing matches against boys. The players are now focused on adapting to the conditions in the UAE and taking the tournament one game at a time. The Pakistan squad includes experienced players such as Muniba Ali, Nashra Sandhu, Saidia Iqbal, Tuba Hassan, and several promising young players. So can Pakistan women go all the way and lift the Asia Cup trophy this year? We will find out very soon. If you enjoyed this update, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more cricket news and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.